Snipping Tool is one of the tools that comes pre-installed on every Windows 11 PC. I think it's still available in Windows 10. So what that means is that once you're using Windows 11, you don't need to go on installing it on your own. It comes with the operating system. So here you're going to learn how to use that. The first step is on how to launch it. So for you to launch Snipping Tool, click on this Start button. Then click inside the search area and then type the name Snipping Tool. It will show up as the best match. Alright, what you need to do is to click on it for it to open. Once it opens, you'll find yourself on this kind of interface. Alright, so the first button here is new, which allows you to create a new screenshot or a new video. Okay, then look at this. This is the screenshot icon, meaning that if you want to take screenshots, be on this, okay, on this snip icon, which is a camera icon. All right, when you click on this, it allows you to record the screen of your PC. Okay, this is snip area, which allows you to capture the area you want to snip. All right, you want to record or you want to take screenshots on. Then this is delay snip, and this is text extractor. Maybe there is a text you find on the screenshot and you want to extract it, you go with this option. So we're going to do this practically. I will get a web page and I will try taking a screenshot. Okay, here I am on this web page. Let's say I want to take screenshot of this advertising that's showing on this BBC web page. Okay, what I need to do is I can start the Snipping Tool afresh. Or if you don't want to start the Snipping Tool afresh, you have already opened it. So click on it for it to show up this way. Now, once it shows up, ensure that you are on the camera, all right, which is what they call snip, and click on new. So on clicking on new, you'll be prompted to select the area you want to snip, you want to capture as screenshot. Okay, so let's say I want to capture this whole area. Okay, so I will take my cursor to where I want to start. Press and hold on the left button of your mouse. Press and hold there and drag until you cover the area you want to capture as screenshots. Release the pressure on the left button of the mouse. Okay, now once you release the pressure on the left button of the mouse, that means you have highlighted the area you want to capture as screenshots. But maybe if you are not okay with that, maybe I want to drag this down a little. Take your cursor there until you see this two-headed arrow. Press and hold the left button of your mouse and adjust until you get to what you want. The same thing applies this side, and at the bottom here. Okay, so once you're good with what you have, just click on capture button. All right, click there and this screenshot is captured. All right, and once it's captured, in some cases it may open the Snipping Tool immediately, or sometimes it may not. All you need to do is to get to the screenshot section of your Windows 11 PC and see the screenshots. Let's do it together. So to access the file, let's click on Files Explorer, then click on Pictures. On this pictures page, locate screenshot. Look at screenshots here. So I'll double click on it and look at it here. All right, so if I double click on this, you will see it fully. Okay, you can see that is it. So it's captured the screenshot the way we want it. So once you capture the screenshot, you can then go ahead and use it to do what you want to do. So let's go on to learn another way to use this. Okay, I am back to the desktop of my Windows 11 PC. Another way I want us to use this is through the screen recording feature. All right, so let's launch it. I'll click on this and then I click here and search for Snipping Tool. Look at it here because I recently searched for it. So I'll click on it. So once it shows up this way, now what I want to do is to capture video, all right, the screen of something. So let's assume I'm running the tutorial and I want to tell people how to use Brave browser, or maybe how to complete some task on Brave. The first thing you need to do is to open that application, all right, that you want to tell people how to do something on. Maybe it's WhatsApp, you want to tell somebody how to do something on WhatsApp. Okay, let's go with Brave. So I'll double click on the application. Okay, the application has opened in this case. What I need to do is to start recording first of all. And to start recording, I have to now activate this snipping tool. So I'll click on it for it to show up because I've opened it already. And the next step is to click on this camera icon. Okay, so once you click on this camera icon, what it means is that you're telling him, I want to record screen. All right, so and once you're on the camera icon, you need to click on new. Okay, on clicking on new, an interface will show like this, telling you to select the area you want to capture. So here I want to capture the entire page on this browser. So take your cursor to the top left, all right, then press and hold on the left button of your mouse and drag until you cover all areas. All right, so now the next step you need to take now is to ensure that the microphone is turned on. You can see here it is turned on. If I want to move the mute it, I will click on this microphone. It will have a slash line that is muted, meaning that I don't want to capture what I'm saying, but here I want to capture whatever thing I want to say here. So the next step is to click on start. So wait for it to count. So I can now start saying what I want to say. In this video, I want to tell you how to search for things on Google Chrome or on Brave browser. Once you're here, just click here and search for what you want to search. So after typing what you want to search, press enter and this will show up here. So anything you're saying is going to be captured. So let's say you are done with what you're doing in this case and you want to stop the recording. Just click on stop. So once you click on stop, you will see the interface of what you recorded, and this gets automatically saved on the video capture screen of your file explorer. We're going to see that. Okay, so what it's telling you is that you can edit something further here, but most of the times I don't like editing with this snipping tool. All I do is record. After recording, I will pick it and then do what I want to do. Okay, I'll place it inside a video editor and edit what I want to edit. That's how I work with it. So now, if maybe you want to save this in a different folder, look at the save button here. So click on this save as button. So it will open a folder in your PC. Okay, let's say desktop is open here, or maybe you want to save it in downloads, click on downloads, or I want to save it in videos, click on videos, but a copy of it is already in videos, though a different folder in videos or in pictures. We're going to get to that. Okay, so maybe let's go with desktop here. I'll click on desktop and call it sample or anything of your choice. So just give it a name of your choice, and after that click on save. So a copy of this is now saved inside that new location. So I'll close this by clicking on X. So now let's go and check what we recorded. Okay, the first one that was saved automatically, let's go and check where it is on our PC. So for you to access the file recorded with the snipping tool, okay, the video screen recording, what you need to do is to click on the file explorer. Once you're here, click on videos. Okay, then click on screen recording. So this folder is created automatically. So when you double click on that screen recording folder, you will see the files that were recorded. You recorded with the snipping tool. So I can double click on this for it to play. So I can now start saying what I want to say. In this video, I want to tell you how to search for things on Google Chrome or on Brave. Okay, you can see it plays very well. So which was what I recorded. So let me close this. And remember, I told you once you record and you stop, everything gets automatically saved inside the screen recordings folder, all right, of your videos major folder. Now, what of that copy we saved in desktop? Is it still available? Yes, it is available. For us to check that, you don't remember we saved it in desktop. I'll click on this desktop and locate it. Look at it here. We called it sample. So I have 2 copies of this file, but I would like to delete this because I don't need it for future use. So I'll click on this and click on delete. So let's learn the last part of Snipping Tool. The last part of this Snipping Tool I would like us to learn is the use of the text extractor tool. Alright, so what you need to do now is to see how we're going to do. Just get a web page that contains text and see how it is going to extract the text. So let's do it. I will open this browser because I have a page already open on it. So look at this news heading and I want to extract the text here. I can launch my snipping tool by clicking here, click here, and then I'll select it. Okay. So now that it is here, it has shown up on the screen. Ensure that you are here in the camera section. All right, camera icon. Then click on this text extractor. Now highlight the part of the page you want to extract the text on. So I'll press on and hold on the left button of my mouse, and then I will drag to capture this text. All right, so allow it to scan. You can see it has dictated the text in this. Okay, then click on copy all. So this text is extracted and is copied. So let's test out to see if this works really. So I have my notepad here. I'll click on it. Let me open a new tab, a new page. Then right click and select the best option. And true, the text has been extracted. So the text was extracted with the snipping tool. So let's see how we're going to use this snipping tool to do something about the text extraction as well. So I'll close this. Let's get to the first screenshot we took with the snipping tool. Click here. And I'll click on screenshots here. And look at this. All right. So this is an image. So I want to see how the snipping tool will help us extract text on this image. So I'll click on it once for it to be selected. Right click. Okay. And then select the open with. All right. This will list some apps that can open image. All right. On your PC. And one of them must be Snipping Tool. So I'll click on it. So this has been opened in a Snipping Tool application. And now look at this text extractor feature. Here is named text card. It's still the same thing. So let's click on it and see how it will extract the text here. You can see it has dictated that this is a text. And let's click on copy all again. All right. This text has been copied. So it's making things easy for us. Even on images, it can copy text. Now let's get back to the notepad again. Look at the first one. I'll press enter and get to the next line. Then right click here and select the paste option. Beautiful. So Snipping Tool has a lot of important features. If this content helps, consider subscribing. You can check at the top to watch the recommended video here. Thank you and see you some other time.